Hello there, I am Lilish, and today I'm showing you the beautiful little tree stitch. I am actually using these for my 70s style sleeves on a colorful crochet dress. It is so textured and fun. Let's crochet together. For this pattern, I am going to make multiples of 6. I'm going to make 60. I am only going to chain 59 plus 3 that I'm going to count as my 60. So we're going to start with a slip knot. I am going to chain 59 plus 3 here. I completed 59. Now I'm going to chain 3. For my first double crochet, I am going to count 3 from the hook, and I'm going to use number 4, loop number 4 right here. But instead of using the loop as the traditional way, we're going to turn in the back of the chain right there. We're going to make double crochet. That will be right here. We're going to do 59 double crochet. Counting the chains that we made here, we're going to make 59 double crochet in this back of the chain, and we will continue with 59 double crochet plus 1, 60. I completed all the double crochets. Now we're going to turn our work. Now that we're in the back, we're going to do a stack single crochet. So that's 1. So we finished that, we close it, and we use the left loop to complete the stack single crochet. We're going to count this as our first double crochet, and the next step will be a second double crochet to build the outside borders. So right there we have 2 double crochet. For this stitch, the next step is to do a single crochet in this part over here. We're going to build the single crochet right there, meaning we're going to put the hook through there, through those 2 loops. Notice here we have 3 loops in the hook right now. We're going to bring the yarn from the back and pull it, and now we're going to complete our single crochet. So that is 1 double crochet with a built-in single crochet. For the next step, we're going to skip 1 and go to the next one here, and we will do a double crochet. Now that we have that double crochet, the next step will be a single crochet built in into the double crochet. So we're going to do a built-in single crochet, and now the next step is going to be a skip this one, and we go to this one and we do a double crochet. Now that I have that, I am going to do a single crochet built-in that spot, and now we skip and we go to the next one, and from here on everything is repetition. But this is what we're building here, a pattern of this little tree looking, and we're going to continue all the way to here. When I get here, I'm going to turn back and I will show you what we do. In here, we did a double crochet mimicking, which is the stack single crochet, another double crochet. But in the way back here, I will show you. So I will continue with the same steps all the way to the end of my project. I completed all the way here. We turn our work So now we're going to start our next row with a stack single crochet. We complete it and we use the left leg to stack it. So we're going to count that as 1 double crochet. The next step, we're going to do a double crochet. And if you notice here, this is our second row of our pattern. So we have 3 double crochet here, including the stack single crochet. So we're going to do 2 double crochet here. So we have 1 there, plus this is 2. We're going to use the built-in single crochet for our double crochets for this row. So we start with this one right here. So from here, our next step is going to be the single crochet built in into the double crochet right there. So we make our single crochet right here. We complete it. Now the next step is going to be a double crochet in the built-in single crochet from prior round. And now we're going to do a single crochet built in into the double crochet. Now we continue with the next one in that spot, which is the built-in single crochet that we made before. So notice here we are building. This pattern is pretty straightforward. 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet built in into the prior double crochet. So for the next step is a double crochet, and we go and do a single crochet built in. The next one is a double crochet and a built-in single crochet, and we continue the pattern all the way, as many stitches as you need for a specific project. And this create a beautiful texture, beautiful pattern, very simple and easy.